Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 345, neighboring Bitwise XOR, exclusive OR. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about this farm. To be honest, for me, this was my slowest farm. I misread it a little bit, which didn't help, but still, it took me a little bit of time to really get the farm. The idea behind this farm is just that the original array, because these are all bitwise numbers for 0 and 1, right? Or binary numbers, right? 0 and 1. That means that the first number of the original array can only be two different possibilities, a 0 and a 1. And once you set the first number to be a 0 or a 1, you can calculate every other number of the original array. And by that, then you just have to double check whether it's circular in that way, right? Like if it goes back to the beginning and whether that basically it acts as a checksum, if you know what that is. It basically just does a checksum to see whether the first and the last element is equal to the thing that we calculated. And that's pretty much the idea behind it. In that way, it is brute force. So here we see the first numbers either 0 or 1, and then for each one of these, we do original we just do the XOR of this. Keeping in mind that the reason why we can do this, and XOR is a little bit of a weird thing if you haven't done it before, is because basically the way the formula is something like equal to this, right? Is basically what we're given in the problem statement. I know that it does +1, but you know, same idea. And the idea here is that is just to get this number, we move. I know the eyes are actually, the way that I did the eyes are a little bit confusing, so I apologize. But basically, yeah, you move this to the other side, and because the inverse of XOR is another XOR, that's basically how it kind of came about, and that's basically the way that this is constructed, even though the eyes are a little bit confusing, but that's basically the idea. And at way end, we just check to see if the first element and the last element is equal to what the last derived element is, and if it's true, then that means that we're good. If not, then we're forced, and like I said, we're brute forcing in that we're trying. As you can see, every number after the first one is forced, right? There's no choice. So yeah, we can basically see the answer that way. Cool. That's all I have for this one. This is linear time, linear space. Yeah. One more thing that I would say is that you can actually do this in constant space in the same way that you think about Fibonacci, and that you only have to keep track of the last two numbers, right? And the first number. So you kind of, you know, so you can actually optimize this to constant space. So if you did it correctly, but didn't do it in constant space, I challenge you to try to do that at home. Anyway, that's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think, and you could watch me solve it live during the virtual contest next. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. Nope. What am I reading? Say what? Basically just go backwards. Oh, because this is I missed this part where it goes to the beginning because I was reading it upward. Okay, fine. I don't think that's even necessary. kind of took too long to read that one, to be honest. But how does 0 the last one? Computer's too slow, as you can see. True, false, false. What am I returning true? Oh, no, that's right. But maybe I did it wrong. Let's see. Or like I'm reading it correctly, but maybe I'm doing the code wrong. 110. Let's see. What am I reading wrong? What am I reading wrong? Is it 1-1? Am I doing this weird? Maybe. What am I doing wrong? Why is this so slow? Why is live so slow? Oh, because I did it backwards, didn't I? Well, there are only two cases, right? So the original array has to be 0 or 1, so we just try both, maybe. Wait, double checking. I know the return statement isn't good, but okay, so this is n-1. My internet is so slow. This is why I didn't do it live. Alright, good. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this virtual contest, this problem and explanation and everything, and how did you do? Let me know. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.